Guys, here is a case of issue of shares for other than cash considerations. It is a mix up of the both. There is some value for which we are paying for the assets brought from one company, and another is your equity shares are issued here. What is given to us? Let's understand. Royal Limited took over assets. Royal Limited took over assets, so assets are coming into the business from whom? From Krish Limited. The first entry would be assets 20 lakh account debit to Krish Limited is 20 lakh. But this is an MCQs in which he is asking us to put a settlement entry and check out whether A, B, C, D options are right. So we have to carry along the same. Now 20 lakhs 30% is payable by bank draft. So Krish Limited, who was a creditor of the business, is paid. When we are making payment to him, then Krish Limited would be debited. We are making payment to him 30% by bank. So 20 lakhs 30% is 6 lakh payment done by bank. And then he says the balance by issue of shares of 100 each at a premium of 10%. So if the share balance, first of all, the balance we are making, balance means 20 lakhs 70%, because 30 has gone to 70% becomes over here is 14 lakh, which is payable to, left payable to him, would be payable as for 100 rupees share at a premium of 10%. So 10% of 100 would become 10 itself. So security premium. So what total value we have to divide here is 110, right? So 14 lakh divided by 110, how many number of shares were issued to the Krish Limited here is 12,727.272. This needs to be ignored. Point value after point value, whatever you get, you need to ignore the same. You will not consider this value after your decimal here. So what's the value left? 12,727 number of shares were issued. Now if we multiply this value with 100, what we get over here is 1,27,000 to sorry, it's not 1 lakh, we will get 12 lakh 72,700, because we are multiplying it with how much value here, that is 100. So 12,727 shares were multiplied by 100, so we got 12 lakh 72,700. When we will multiply it with 10, then we will get 1,27,270 rupees, right? So here the value is 1,27,270 rupees. Now you will see if we make its total here, that is 12 lakh 2 27 sorry, it's 12 lakh 72,700 rupees and 1 lakh 27,270. So what you get over here is 70, then 9, then 9, then 9, and then 3, and then 1. So it is 13 lakh 99,970. But what was the leftover value? That was 14 lakh here. So it is not making a sum total of 14 lakh. How much is the difference? The difference is of only rupees 30. Now how to adjust rupees 30 for the fractional part of the shares, that you, in the given question, your bank value would be added up with rupees 30 here, right? So you will get this value as to be 6 lakh 30 rupees, right? 6 lakh and 30 rupees to bank. So what difference come in your journal for the number of equity shares when are in decimals? The difference here would be transferred to your bank value. This you have to keep in mind. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.